Hey, Mr. Smith, it's Marcus. How you doing?
Okay.
Good, good, good. Hey, I just wanted to give you the good news that we went on ahead and we closed today. So, congratulations on getting it done, man. It was a long road, but we was able to get it done.
Oh yeah, we hung together.
All right, that's what it sounds.
I really appreciate everything you did.
Yeah, it's no problem. It's no problem. I told you from the beginning. I said we'll get it done. I said even though COVID and everything like that is going on, we'll still be able to make it happen for you.
Okay.
All right. So,
Thanks, buddy.
yeah. So, let me ask you a few questions real quick, Mr. Smith. So tomorrow you'll be meeting Brent at 9 o'clock with the keys. And then that way you can get the last of that little bit of stuff that you said you wanted to get out, right?
Yeah, mainly it's still some nice stuff in there. I'm talking about like plates and stuff like that. I was just gonna leave it there.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Like I said, we'll take care of it. You know, we donate that stuff to like the battered women's shelter and everything like that. So you don't have to worry about that. Just get the paperwork and everything that you need. So do me a favor. Kind of rate our level of professionalism from 1 to 10 on a scale of 1 to 10. How do we do for you?
10.
All right, that's what I like to hear. A complete 10. Hey, if there was anything we could have did differently to help you out, what could that have been?
Really nothing, Mac. You've been handled everything pretty well under all this going on with health and everything, you know.
Okay.
But everything, I just hung in there with you.
All right, great. Well, I'm glad that we was able to help you, Mr. Smith. Like I said, I knew the circumstances in the situation and everything like that. And I told you, I said, hey, we will definitely be here with you. We'll get everything done like we said. And that's exactly what we did. And thank you for being so patient and so understanding and making sure that we was able to get everything done.
Oh, yeah, no problem, man.
All right. So, did they tell you when the money was going to be wired into your account? It may be in there already.
Matter of fact, she said between 1 and 2 hours. Matter of fact, I was making a phone call. So I called the bank, and it's in there.
It's in there.
Yeah.
Say it again. It's in there.
Yes, it's in there.
All right. That's what we like to hear. Okay, Mr. Smith, again, if you know of anybody else that need any assistance or, need to sell a house, let me know. And again, I'm still here. So if you need anything, man, let me know. I'm just not here for this transaction, but hey, man, you're a good guy, and I really appreciated doing business with you.
Yeah, you too, Marcus. Thank you, man.
All right, not a problem. You got my number. Feel free to give me a call.
Okay, man.
Okay.
Take care of you and your family.
All right, thanks. You too.
Okay.
Bye. All right, guys, as you can see, another successful close. We love these closing days. More importantly, we love making sure that we get calls like that and that they definitely are thankful and grateful for our service. And we're thankful and grateful for having sellers that we can help. So, guys, keep that in mind. There's always opportunities out there. Just go into it with the right perspective. Don't always think about yourself, but think about those that you can help. Just to give you a backstory on Mr. Smith, we've been working with him since early March or February, somewhere around there when COVID first hit. He's a senior citizen, didn't want to come out the house, didn't want to do anything with the property anymore. His father had passed away, so it was a deceased lead. We got this lead through direct mail. So you guys that's out there touting direct mail is dead, we got this lead through direct mail. Pretty good closing. Our buyer was a previous buyer. Shout out to Brent there in Chicago. He bought a previous property from us. So again, much success. It's a great day, great deal. All right, guys, you know what to do. Remember to enjoy the journey. If you need any other information, feel free to listen to the We Love Equity Real Estate Show. You can find us on, Apple, Stitcher, Android, everywhere you can find podcasts. Then my YouTube channel, MRCS Maloney, and all of my social media handles, MRCS Maloney. That's at Twitter, at what's that? IG, and Facebook is Marcus Maloney. And then you can also go and get free contracts and stuff like that from marcusemaloney.com. So, guys, thank you. Always enjoy the journey.